Good morning, everyone. Today I will explain you the second problem of today's LeetCode contest. So let's understand this problem first. So here in this problem, we have given a string word, right? And in this string, we have a character, and that character is called special if it is appear both in lowercase and uppercase, right? And the second condition is that the every lowercase occurrence of that character appears before the first occurrence of its uppercase character. So that is what the condition we have given for the special character, and we have to return the number of special character in that word, right? So let's understand this problem with the help of this example. So we have this small a, capital A, B, C, capital B, and C. In this, we have uh, like let's talk about A, right? So here we have smaller a, we have here we have capital A, right? And every small a is appearing before its first uppercase occurrence, right? Like here we have all small a's, here we have capital A, and small a is appearing before the first occurrence of capital A. So that means it is a special case character, right? Let's talk about B. In B also, smaller b is present, capital B is present, and every small b is appearing before its capital B, right? So that is also our one special character. And talking about C, small c and capital C both are present, and every small c is appearing before its first occurrence of capital C. So it is also a special character. So here we have total three special character, right? So this is the output, and that is three. Next we have this word ABC. So for A, we don't have its uppercase character, so it won't be a special case character, right? For B also, we don't have its capital B here, so it also won't be the special character. For C also, we don't have that, right? So it also won't be a special character. So this is why the total number of special character here is zero. Let's talk about this example. Here we have capital A and small a. First condition is satisfied that smaller and uppercase character must be present, right? The second condition is every lowercase character, like here we have a, so every lowercase a must be present before uppercase a, right? So if that will happen, then this a will be my special character. But here, capital A is first, and then after my small lowercase a is coming, so it won't be a special character, right? Next, talk about B. Similarly, in B also, lowercase b is coming before uppercase b, so it also won't be a special character. Similarly, for C, we don't have small c present, so it won't be a special case character. So this is why we have given zero number of special character in this world, right? So we have understood this problem. So the approach will be in this way. We will make two arrays. So here we have first array, and here we have two array. In this array, we will be noting down last occurrence of smaller case characters, lowercase characters, lowercase chars, last occurrence, right? Why I'm saying last occurrence? Because we wanted to compare, like if I have the last occurrence of, for example, let's take A. Let's take A. Here we have A, here we have some strings Z, B, S, H. Here we are again getting A, right? So if I am taking down the last occurrence of A, in this, then we can, in question, it is saying that all occurrence of A must be before then its uppercase character, right? So if I know the last occurrence of small a, so that means I know like what is every a, right? So in this index I have my small a, right? So if my capital is coming here, so that means it is a special character, right? But if my capital is coming before this, like somewhere here, then it's not my special character because every a is not before its uppercase, right? So that's why here we are calculating in this array, we are calculating the last occurrence of the character. And in this array, we are calculating the first occurrence of uppercase character. Uppercase character. right? So this is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 dot. Uh, we have 25th index. You know, right? In A to Z, we have total 26 characters. So since it is a zero-based indexing, so we have a character in between 0 to 25, right? And similarly, this array will also have 0, 1, 2, 3 till 25. And in this array, we are storing between A to Z, first occurrence of this capital uppercase character, and this here we are storing lowercase characters, right? So let's understand with the help of example. Initially, we will initialize everything with -1. So everything is initialized with -1. Okay, let's make another array. And let's take this example. Uh, Capital A, small b, capital B, CAB, C, A, B. And here we have small z, here we have capital Z. Okay, let's take this example. So this is the example. I'll be doing the dry run for this example. Okay, yeah. So I'm making the array. So here in between we have something, right? And this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot, 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 25. This is for small case. Uh, I can smaller. I'm writing this array. I'm naming this array as smaller. And let's take another array. 25, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is upper, right? So I'm looping through this. Here we have small z. So I want the last occurrence of uh, small z here, right? So z is nothing but if I'll do z minus a, then I'll get the index, and this will give me 25, right? So I'll put it here. Like everything is initialized with -1 initially. 1 second, I should initialize it. So everyone is initialized with -1. Now I get that z here, so I'll replace it with 0 because we have the z here in 0th index, right? Next we have capital A. So I want the first occurrence of capital A. So I'll do what, like A is in the first index, right? So I'll do first, right? Now small b. I want the last occurrence of small b, and it is storing the last occurrence, and it is storing the first occurrence. Next we have small b. So then small b is in second index. If I'll do b minus a, then I'll get this second in sorry. So 2 is nothing but it is representing b. Sorry, 1 second. It is representing a, it is representing b, it is representing c, it is representing d, e, f, g. Sorry for the confusion. So for b, it is in the second index, so I'll do 2. Capital B, it is in the third index. Okay, I got a here, so a will be nothing but here. Sorry. So it will be like this. Capital will be here in the in this, so it will be 3. Then capital C will be here, so it will be here. So it will be in fourth index. Then A is in 5 index. So I will replace this small a with 5, right? And B is in small b. I'll replace it and I'll do it 6. And capital Z, so capital Z is here, so I'll replace it with 7. Next, what we have to do, it is giving me the last occurrence of smaller case character. It is giving me the first occurrence of uppercase character. I'll compare if my smaller case character is before than my uppercase character, right? If my smaller case character is coming on left hand side of my uppercase character, then I'll do an answer plus plus. Answer is nothing but storing the number of special character, right? I'll do answer plus plus and I'll be traversing entire loop. And yeah, in this way I'll get my answer. Here, like talk about A. Small a is coming at fifth index and capital is coming at first index, right? Capital is coming in first index, smaller a is coming at fifth index. Since smaller is a ahead, this won't be my special character. Talk about B. B is coming, smaller b is coming last occurrence of smaller b is coming at 6th index, and uppercase occurrence is coming, first uppercase occurrence is coming at 3rd index. So it will also want to be a special case because smaller b is ahead of my uppercase, right? Talk about this c. So c, smaller c is -1. Yeah, smaller c is -1. So I won't be comparing since I don't have smaller c. So if any of uppercase or lowercase occurrence is -1, that means that character is not present in my string, right? So I'll just be moving ahead. Okay, now next everything is -1. I'll just be moving ahead because that character is not present. So I won't be including in my special characters, right? Now talk about this. Smaller z is coming at 0th index, but capital Z is coming at 7th index, right? So smaller z is coming at 0th index. This is smaller z, and capital Z is coming at 7th index, right? So yeah, this is my special case character. So the answer of this string is the number of special character here we have is nothing but 1, and we can verify it here. Like only z is here, which is nothing but a special case because it is coming in this way, right? And rest of the things won't be there. Yeah. So I have explained you the approach. So let's understand the code. So I have initialized this smallest. It is nothing but storing the last occurrence of smallest case character, and capital is nothing but it's storing the first occurrence of the uppercase character. I have initialized answer with 0, right? And this is word size. I am traversing through the word, and is low is nothing but it is checking if my word is a uppercase. Is low is nothing but it is checking whether my character is a lowercase character or not. If it is lowercase character, it will return me true. Otherwise, it will return me false, right? Is lower. If my word is lowercase, I'll do this, right? I am just replacing with index, and if my word is uppercase, and why am and I'm checking like if my capital is nothing but -1, that means I haven't traversed any of my capital letter before. So I am adding this condition so that I will only get first occurrence, right? So using this condition, only first time I'm updating the capital character index, and after that I won't be updating because after it won't be having -1, right? So using this, I am just taking the first occurrence of that uppercase character, right? So using for loop, I'm traversing and checking if my smaller is coming, like last occurrence of that character is coming before, then first occurrence of its uppercase character, then I'll just increment my answer. Answer is nothing but it is giving me the number of special character, right? If any of it is -1, then I didn't get that character, so I'll just continue, right? And yeah, I'll return my answer. I hope you have understand this problem. So if you like the solution, then do subscribe to my channel.